What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to talk about Shiba Inu today because we have a question. So the question on everybody's mind is, can Shiba Inu reach 1 cent? So if you look up Shiba Inu, even on Google Trends, everyone wants to know if Shiba Inu can reach 1 cent. That's the main thing that everyone wants to know with Shiba Inu. So in my personal opinion, yes, Shiba Inu can reach 1 cent, but we're going to have to give it time. And remember, every single crypto follows Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin had a really bad crash back here in 2017 where it was at $19,000 and it went all the way down to around $3,000. And then that's when it started to build back up momentum after a year of it being down, and then it started to raise again. So this could be the same thing with Shiba Inu. Maybe it drops in like it has now, and then it starts to rise up later on inside of the month or of the year. So right now we are projected to reach 1 cent with Shiba Inu, but right now we have to think about when we are going to reach 1 cent. It's going to take time because remember, we follow Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is doing bad, Shiba Inu will also do bad. Shiba Inu will only do good whenever Bitcoin is doing good, and same thing goes for all the other altcoins. So that is the main thing with the altcoins right now. So yes, Shiba Inu can reach 1 cent, and it will reach 1 cent. Now we have to talk about the time frame for it to reach 1 cent. That's the main thing here, because if we look at this right now, we can kind of see that we are on a trend right now. It seems like we are still consolidating, and we're still inside of a correction, and we have bottomed out, as we can already see. But we just need to know that Shib right now, Shib is not at the same price that we were a while ago. So you have to think about the FUD that's going on right now. There's so much fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And at this price, some people aren't confident paying for Shib, and some people are. But looking at more FUD that we have around Bitcoin, which is the same thing for Shib, because Shib follows Bitcoin, and all cryptos follow Bitcoin. So Bitcoin news is our news here. So Bitcoin price live. Crypto market faces moment of truth after crash wipes. So this is more FUD, more fear, uncertainty, and doubt. More people have fear around crypto right now. So a lot of people are scared, even though there's good things happening inside of crypto, inside the crypto world altogether. Look at this. Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is trading at 32,000. That's what they're saying right now. And we have to look over here at the good news that we actually have for all the cryptos right here. So NHL San Jose Sharks are also becoming major supporters with Bitcoin. They're accepting Bitcoin, Ether, Dogecoin, all that. So there's a lot of cryptos that are being accepted worldwide by a lot of different people. Even the former president Donald Trump is spreading FUD about Shib. So not even just Shib, but crypto in general. He's spreading FUD about crypto, saying that is a scam. So that is actually really bad for crypto. So that's another thing that's kind of holding crypto back right now. But yes, we can definitely reach 1 cent. It's just going to take a little. So everyone has to have diamond hands. That's why I say never invest more than what you're willing to lose. Because remember, you have to have diamond hands. If you don't, you will get burned, and that is how a lot of people get burned. But yeah, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This is just my personal opinions on this. And also, this is another thing that we have going on here. Look at this. The price crash comes despite growing support for cryptocurrency, with the president of El Salvador announcing over the weekend that Bitcoin would consider legal tender inside the Central American country. So yeah, Bitcoin being a legal tender inside of El Salvador. Just imagine places like Venezuela who could use Shib as a currency instead of their currency that's highly inflated. They could use Shib, which would actually help a lot. And yeah, a lot of stuff going on here with different currencies here, but Shib is the one that has some of the most the most gains. Honestly, I think Dogecoin also had a lot of gains, but I think Shiba Inu might have the most gains out of all of the cryptos. Like, let's go over there and look at that. Actually, that would put things in perspective for us. Let's type in Shiba Inu. Yeah, in CoinMarketCap, they usually have it down here where you can see the whole. Okay, yeah, there it is, 461,000%. So yeah, that's a 461,000% return on investment. So yeah, I think Shiba Inu definitely will reach 1 cent. We just have time to wait. We just have to wait some time for it. So 2024, 2025, possibly around there, possibly even reaches 10 cents by that time. But yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just personal opinions here. So don't take anything out of context. Make sure you do your own due diligence, because she can reach 1 cent, but you need to think about it and be realistic and make sure that you are investing with caution. People say don't put more than like 5% of your portfolio in there, but you can do whatever you want, because I'm not a financial advisor. So that is exactly how we're doing this. So look over here at the next thing that we have for Shiba Inu. So Robinhood, this is another thing that will send Shiba Inu to 1 cent. The whole Robinhood petition. Now we have 121,000 people that have signed this petition. That's actually really big right there, because of one thing, that's a lot of money that goes through Robinhood. A lot of money really goes through Robinhood. And another thing, when Shiba Swap comes out, a lot of money is going to be going through Shiba Swap as well, which will cause the price of Shiba Inu to go up inevitably. And also when Bitcoin, kind of catches traction and stops getting, slandered inside the media, then we'll finally be able to grow. Because let's be honest, Bitcoin is getting slandered huge. So are other cryptos. I mean, cryptos in general are getting slammed, but this is really terrible for the whole state of the crypto world. But over time, we will reach 1 cent inside of Shiba Inu. We just have to continue to hold and have diamond hands. That's why I'm still holding, because you have to think about it. Like, we were just all the way up here. Like, that was huge. Like, back in May 10th, that was so, like, that wasn't even long ago. Honestly, it was a month ago. And like, now look where we're at. So that just shows you what 1 month can do. In a month, we could raise the same amount that we just now dropped by. So you have to think about it. We can just start raising right now. Look, it looks like we bottomed out here, but what if we just start raising right now, and it could just go all the way out and just have mayhem, just wreak havoc on the whole crypto market. Just anything can happen right now. So look over here, Bitcoin will dip to 25K if this trader's 20% crypto crash forecast comes. So there is a lot of FUD around crypto. So remember, it could drop. Like, they could be right that Bitcoin does go down to 25%. And technically speaking, if that goes down to not 25 cent, but 25,000, if Bitcoin goes down to 25,000, you have to think about what Shiba Inu would do. Shiba Inu would also drop, because remember, we follow Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin went down to 25,000, this 7 right here would probably go down to a 6 or a 5. And that would be a lot of money lost, but that would be another opportunity to buy the dip. You would be able to buy in and then have a lot more Shiba Inu at that price. And remember, dollar cost averaging is something important to do inside of crypto, stock market, anything. Whenever the price goes down, you need to be acquiring more shares or more coins or whatever you have. Just keep acquiring more and more and more. Even like with real estate, when real estate prices go down, essentially that's when you would want to start buying real estate. But yeah, a lot of stuff going on here. So let's go over here and see what else we have for this forecast for 25K. Okay, and then some people here, they say this isn't even the dump, just wait another 48 hours max. So they're saying that it's about to dump. So this is more FUD being spread around about Bitcoin and about cryptos in general. So I mean, FUD is never good. So yes, we will reach 1 cent, but remember, don't expect it to reach 1 cent overnight. You have to give this type of stuff time. Like, remember how long it took for Dogecoin to reach 1 cent. Like, it's going to take us some time to reach 1 cent. So sit back and watch it go up, watch it grow. And I'm just going to keep buying more and more Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu is going to rise. But yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But, people are predicting that it does drop. I mean, I don't know if these are actual financial advisors predicting this, but I predict that it'll go up because I'm really optimistic with cryptos. But why is crypto down today? So many different reasons. There's like no 100% reason that we know, because China's cracking down on crypto, and then we have some good things, but like the National Hockey League accepting Bitcoin. Then we have the whole El Salvador accepting Bitcoin. We have so much going on. Then we have Trump spreading FUD about Bitcoin, talking about Bitcoin's a scam. I mean, either way, I don't think Bitcoin or crypto at all is a scam, but 1 cent is definitely the price target that we have here with Shiba Inu. So yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the link in the description for free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And yes, the price target is 1 cent with Shiba Inu, and I will be back with another video.